Hello students, in this video we will be discussing about atomic spectra. Students, we have learned that when we talk about prism and when we were trying to incident or trying to pass a white light through the prism, what happened that the white light was dispersed into 7 different colors, and these 7 different colors were ranging from V to R, that is from violet to red, Vibgyor. And when we put this series, these 7 constituent colors, these are in this series. If we rotate it in this way, this will be somewhere like violet to red. This becomes the series of the 7 constituent colors. And similarly, in emission spectrum, what happened when we had a gas tube, and the gases are in low pressure. When the gases were made to be put in low pressure, then after applying the electricity to pass through it, when we allowed the electricity to pass through it, the gases got excited. The gases in the tube, which is kept at low pressure, when they are when electricity is passed through it, the gas got excited, and a series of light got emitted from it. And those series of light were observed in a screen, and the screen observed 7 different colors of light, that is from starting from V to R. And we have noted, and in the screen we have noted, let us consider that this was the violet region, this was the indigo region, and similarly the 7 different colors were noted around it. And when we had the screen in which the colors were noted, this is V, I, B, G, Y, O and R. The colors were noted. And when we allowed in the gases part, let us consider we are taking sodium gas and we are passing the electricity to the gas. What will happen? This through the tube here, the yellow light will be emitted, and that yellow light will fall in the region where the yellow light is there. If it is Vibgyor, then the light emitted from the sodium gas after electricity being passed through it, that light emitted falls in this yellow region, showing that the gas contains sodium. And similarly, when we let us consider this is the tube in which we are putting NaCl, and we are passing electricity through it, and due to this the gases got excited. So when this is happening, the light emitted from sodium will move to the yellow part, and the light emitted from chlorine will move to any of the colored parts, showing that if we are getting two different colors, if we are getting the light emitted from NaCl in 2 different colors or in two different positions, it will show that the gas that is kept in the tube are having 2 different elements, and one of the element is sodium, and the reason in which the chlorine will fall will show that the gas light will form, will show that the chlorine element or is over there. And similarly, this was because it is having the emission, light is being emitted from the gas tube after being excited when the electricity is passed through it. That is why this kind of spectrum is known as emission spectrum. Similarly, if we have a gas tube and when white light, so suppose we have let us consider sodium. Okay, we have taken the example of sodium here also. So let us consider this is sodium and this is the screen. Let us consider in this we have the spectrometer. A spectrometer will allow to capture the black lights from the gas tube. When we allowed to pass the white light through it, here we were allowing the electricity to pass through it. Here we are passing the white light through it. When the white light will pass, it will bend or it will disperse into 7 different colors. But when the sodium was there, it is showing that in the region where we have the yellow part, in the yellow part we were getting a black line over there. This black line shows that the yellow part was not being able to disperse through it. If the yellow part is not being able to disperse through it, it means the sodium gas in this tube is absorbing this yellow part, and that yellow part is showing over here a dark line. And that is why, since the sodium gas kept in this tube is absorbing the yellow light, that is why this kind of spectrum is considered to be as absorption spectrum. So here, in this process, by the help of this process, few scientists like Balmer, Bastian, Brackett, Lyman, Pfund, they tried to find few different series of the somebody find, like Balmer find the visible region series, Bastian find the infrared region series, Brackett also find the infrared region series. So we will study about that in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.